A very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching from this video. So Raila Odinga today held a meeting together with church leaders or the church bishops. These bishops are the same bishops who met with Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta yesterday at State House, and they also met Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the president-elect of the Republic of Kenya. Their mission is to make sure that we have a peaceful country. That is why they are making sure that they are meeting these top leaders. Later on, they addressed the nation, including the Azimio la Umoja presidential candidate, Raila Odinga. And during that speech by Raila Odinga, I noticed that Raila Odinga is still concerned, is still upset with the way the IEBC chairman Wafula Chebukati conducted the 2022 general elections. So I just want you to briefly listen to Raila Odinga's speech concerning that matter. Then we proceed.
Na watu wengi wako katika hali ya huzuni mpaka siku ya leo. Ni kweli kuna wengine wachache ambao vile vile wana furaha wamesherekea. Hiyo ni haki ya kidemokrasia. Sisi tunajiuliza tu, na nimewaeleza ati mimi kama yule mwanariadha ambaye alienda kukimbia, na tumekimbia na mpaka tukafika mwisho, ambaye kwa kimombo inaitwa photo finish. Sasa naona wale marefari ambao walikuwa pale, mmoja mwingine anasema fulani ameshinda, mwingine anasema fulani ameshinda. Sasa haijulikani. Na hii kitu inaweza kufanyika tu hapa kwetu Kenya. Maana yake kama wale ambao walipewa jukumu ya kusimamia uchaguzi wa taifa letu wanaweza kufanya maneno ile ya aibu vile ilifanyika, inaonyesha kwamba demokrasia yetu bado iko mbali sana. Na kwa wakati huu hata kuna mtu ambaye angefurahia ati kuna mshindi. Naona wengine wanasema ati rais elect. Kama kuna wale watu wa tume ya uchaguzi ambao ni watu 7, hatujasikia maoni yao kwa kijumla. Hii maneno ya kuaibisha katika ulimwengu mzima, mbele ya ulimwengu mzima. Lakini tumesema sisi hatutaki kuona fujo au vurugu katika taifa letu. Tunataka kuona amani ikidumu katika taifa letu. Ndio sababu tumeamua kutumia sheria na kuenda kwenye mbele mahakama kuu ili tupeleke ushahidi ambayo tuko nazo na kuonyesha kwamba ilikuwa ni mzaha, haikuwa ni uchaguzi. Tunataka kufanya hii kutetea demokrasia ya taifa letu ambayo watu wengi walipigania.
Now the IEBC, led by the IEBC chair Wafula Chebukati, has been exposed badly concerning the incidences or the proofs that clearly shows that the IEBC did not conduct free, fair, verifiable and credible elections. According to the Azimio la Umoja Brigade, together with some of organizations, including the human rights organizations which were appointed to tally or to supervise the 2022 general elections, there is an exposure that the IEBC did not conduct free and fair election, and that it was marked by different types of irregularities. Before any person is announced, before any winner is being announced by the IEBC must have a total proof that that election was free, fair, credible, and verifiable elections. And if not, the results or the final results will be actually disqualified by the Supreme Court of Kenya if at all a petition has been filed. And right now as we speak, the Azimio la Umoja Brigade have headed to courts. They are heading to the Supreme Court of Kenya, of course, to file a petition concerning these irregularities of the 2022 general elections. And according to the Azimio la Umoja Brigade, they are accusing the IEBC of ill-prepared of these 2022 general elections. And actually, they are not considering Dr. William Samoei Ruto as the president-elect of the Republic of Kenya. Now, in this video today, I just want us to look at some of key areas which the Azimio la Umoja Brigade are pointing out fingers at the IEBC concerning the 2022 general elections. But before we go that, of course, if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. YouTube can recommend my channel to reach out to other people. And to my subscribers also, I just want to say that I'm not taking your support for granted. Thank you so much. This YouTube is where it is right now as we speak because of your support. To my loyal viewers, to my loyal fans, to my loyal listeners, thank you. Thank you so much. Point number 1. According to the Azimio la Umoja, they have the evidence that in some areas, some of the voters were being issued 2 ballot papers for them to vote. And these areas like Kilifi County, some people or some voters were being given 2 ballot papers in some polling stations, which they have the evidence already. They are going to submit that evidence to the Supreme Court of Law. So the voters were being given 2 ballot papers. That clearly shows that if at all it's true, then it shows that the IEBC did not conduct a credible elections, and that the Supreme Court can also disqualify or nullify the elections. Point number 2, there are cases whereby 7 people were being killed and their murder case are actually being linked directly to this 2022 general election. That is also a matter of concern. In Embakasi East constituency, the area whereby Babu Owino became the MP, there is this returning officer by the name Daniel Musyoka, who was also brutally murdered. So the IEBC also, or the court, should also consider those cases. And point number 3, ladies and gentlemen, there is the postponement of elections in some areas. Some areas like the coastal region, Mombasa County, whereby the governor, people did not elect the governor. Also in areas like Kakamega County, people were not given a chance to elect their governor. That is also a matter of concern. And the third point is that there is a division among the 7 commissioners of the IEBC, led by the chairperson, the vice chair, by the name Juliana Cherera of the IEBC. So that division also clearly tells us that this election was not credible and verifiable elections. It causes the division cast the species on the credibility of this election. And the 4th point, ladies and gentlemen, or the 5th point, is that there was the low voter turnout in areas whereby the elections were being postponed. And according to the sources, ladies and gentlemen, the voter turnout in areas where elections were being postponed, in areas like Mombasa County, in areas like Kakamega County, the voter turnout did not surpass 65%. Meaning, that is also a concern. It led to low voter turnout. Because I personally believe that majority of people, when they go to vote not because of the president alone, but they also vote because of some people here who are readily available to them, people like the MCAs. Some people will not go to vote because of the president. Some people will just go to vote because of their MCAs to support them. So, if you restrict them from voting the person who they want, then they will see that there's no need for them to go to participate in the general elections. That is what I have for you today. Let me know your thoughts on the comment section below and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for being so supportive to me. I'm not taking that for granted. See you in the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much.